today I have Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn on 4K Blu-ray. Just gonna take a look here, and it's got a lot of glitter, which is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. I saw this movie in theaters, and I quite enjoyed it. That was about 3 months ago now, I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I liked it a lot more than all my friends did. But I think for me, it was just, hey, I had a good time. I love the glitter look. But yeah, let's take a look. So it's the same cover there, just without the banner on the top and less glitter. Same with the spine there. And same with the back. Yeah. Let's get the digital code there, and then you have the 4K disc in pink, and then the Blu-ray disc. That's kind of like a greenish blue. It looks a lot more blue in the video, but yeah, and they got the little Harley Quinn. It looks nice. I'm excited to take a look at this one tonight. It's, like I said, been 3 months since I've seen it, and I heard the audio wasn't as good as other Warner Bros. Releases, but I'm sure it'll be fine, at least to me anyway. But I'm really excited to take a look, and I'm also thinking that I'm back, I think. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.